3 U.S. Supreme Court decisions that all cops need to know. Not the only 3 you need to know, but 3 important ones. The first one, Terry v. Ohio. Terry v. Ohio was a U.S. Supreme Court decision that decided if a police officer has somebody lawfully detained and has reasonable suspicion that they're armed and dangerous, they can do a pat frisk or a safety frisk for weapons. It is designed to do one thing and one thing only. That's to uncover weapons so a police officer can comfortably continue on with the lawful investigation without fear of a weapon being used against them. Number 2, U.S. v. Robinson. This U.S. Supreme Court case gave police officers the right to search people incident to arrest for a full-body search to prevent the destruction of evidence or to uncover weapons as people were placed into police custody and transported to a facility to be processed for the crimes that they committed. As a bonus to U.S. v. Robinson, I think police officers should also be familiar with Knowles v. Iowa, a case that decided police officers could not search somebody incident to citation. Read that one, it's important to know. Number 3, Payton v. New York. Payton v. New York authorized entry into a suspect's home for which they reside when they have a warrant for their arrest, when police possess a reasonable suspicion, kind of like probable cause, to believe that the suspect's inside their residence, where they live. The address on the top of the warrant isn't relevant. What police have to understand is, as long as you can show significant factors that you believe the person now resides at this residence, you don't have to get the address changed. The same rules apply. Police officers still need to follow the rules of the warrant procedure prior to making entry. Police officers should still follow the rules of the court when serving warrants in their states at their prospective locations. That means knocking and announcing and trying other ways before making entry into a home. However, if a suspect is inside their home and they are refusing to come out and you have a warrant for their arrest, the authority of that arrest warrant allows entry into the home. Police officers should also be familiar with Stigold versus the United States. In Stigold, they differentiated between a person's home and the home of a third party. Understanding the rules behind this will dictate what you're allowed to do in similar circumstances. Absent exigency, you would have to apply for an independent search warrant of the third person's home. So that's it. These are the 3 cases that we started with. We'll have more to come. Hopefully you found value in it. Read case law. It's important for you to know.